Australia, and we're still in Queensland. Surprise! It's still raining, at least it was all night. We spent the night in Babinda Rotary Park, which is a free camping site with quite decent amenities. We liked it. It's very spacious, then there are showers you could take, so it's quite lovely. And then right next to it there's some landmark called Babinda Boulders, which we have no idea what is, but we are going towards it because it's only 6 kilometers from the place we slept at, so we are gonna find out. It's somewhere, we're going somewhere towards the mountains. I'm expecting again some water landscape-ish. Let's see. We are gonna get back to you soon.
Everybody waiting for the roads to be open. We just spoke with the truck driver, and if we're lucky, we might be passing in a few hours. The lovely city of Cardwell, hosting a lot of people. We're camping in this nice parking lot. We don't have a shadow, but it's starting raining as usual, so we don't have to worry about it too much. And there is Valentina, my wife, cooking gnocchi al ragù. Hey you, what are you doing?
Trying not to use this knife against somebody.
Looks like everything is ready there. So I can already smell it. Here it comes. What's it? Yum yum. Thank you.
And this is how our lunch is ended. Washing dishes,